Alright, we're gonna yawn first, and then we're going to find right angles, see if triangles. I'm going to make some triangles, and we're going to see if those triangles have right angles in them. So let's get started. Remember, a right angle is an angle that is 90 degrees, a 90-degree angle, or you can say an angle that has two perpendicular lines, like this. Okay? This angle is 90 degrees. Okay. So let's start off with a triangle that looks like this. Is this angle 90 degrees? Well, let's see, this one right here is not perpendicular. Right here. This one is also not perpendicular. So this angle and this angle are not perpendicular. This one is perpendicular to this one. Well, actually, no. Yeah, this one is perpendicular to this one. If they were straight, they would be perpendicular. They kind of bend a little bit, but if it were straight, the perpendicular to this one would be a right angle. What about a triangle like this? Oh, yes, look. There's a perpendicular line right here. Ooh, these two are perpendicular. You know, I'm trying this one. They focus better. The camera focuses better with the flashlight on. This angle right here is perpendicular. This one is not perpendicular. These lines are not perpendicular. These two lines and these two lines are not perpendicular, but these two lines are perpendicular. What about a triangle like this? Well, let's see. These two lines are not perpendicular, so that's not a right angle. These two lines are not perpendicular, so that's not a right angle. But these two lines, see? These two lines are perpendicular. This one goes straight out of this one. Dude, I gotta make these lines more straight. I gotta make these lines straighter. So this ones are perpendicular. That one's perpendicular. What about a triangle like this? Is that a right angle here? Is that a right angle here? Let's see. These two are not perpendicular. These two are not perpendicular. And these two are not perpendicular either. Just try to see if these are two perpendicular. Oh, nope, that's not perpendicular. So the end of this has a right angle. None of these have a right angle. This triangle does not have a right angle. What about this triangle? Oh, that was a terrible one. Well, no, this is not perpendicular. These aren't perpendicular. These aren't perpendicular. So no. There's no right angle in this triangle. What about this triangle? Huh? Nope, this one's not perpendicular. These two lines are perpendicular. These two lines are perpendicular, and these two lines are perpendicular. So that one's not a right angle. That one, the triangle doesn't have a right angle. What about this one? Well, these two are not perpendicular. These two are perpendicular. That one comes straight out, and that one goes straight out of this one. This one aren't perpendicular, but these two are perpendicular, so that means this is a right angle. So this one does have a right angle. All right, so let's go.